Hey IT managers, so you're looking to install Office 365 the right way? Let's make this easy with Impress IT Solutions in West Houston. Whether it's a brand new workstation or upgrading your team's tools, Office 365 is crucial for modern business productivity. From Word and Excel to Teams and Outlook, it delivers everything your team needs to succeed. But let's be real, installing it yourself and running into login loops or activation errors? Total nightmare. That's why businesses in West Houston turn to Impress IT Solutions for quick, correct, and secure installations. So, what's Office 365? It's the cloud-based version of Microsoft's productivity suite: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Exchange email, Microsoft Teams, OneDrive, SharePoint, and more. It's all about cloud-based storage and collaboration tools. Ready to install? Here's a basic guide. Step 1. Sign into Microsoft 365. Go to office.com, click sign in, and enter your work email. Don't have a license yet? Impress IT Solutions can help set everything up from scratch. Step 2. Download the Office installer. Click Install Office, select Office 365 apps, and download the file. Step 3. Run the installer. Open the file, follow the prompts, and install the full suite. Step 4. Activate Office. Open any Office app, sign in, and activate your license. Hit activation errors? Impress IT can troubleshoot right away. Step 5. Connect to OneDrive and Outlook. Link OneDrive to start syncing files and set up your Outlook email. Common issues? We've seen it all. Activation errors, syncing problems, Teams not launching, and more. Impress IT Solutions makes it painless and gets you running fast. Why let Impress IT handle it? Local, friendly experts based in West Houston. We get it done right the first time, handle setup, licensing, migration, email, and training, plus ongoing support and security best practices. Get Office 365 working for your business. Call Impress IT Solutions today for a consultation. Thanks for watching.